Hello and welcome to College Dunia, your one-stop destination to all your study abroad queries and information. I am Nidhi and today I'm going to be talking about PG diploma courses in Canada. Canada might be the only country where PG diploma courses are this famous. This course is the best option for you, whether you want lower investment or are looking for courses with a shorter duration in Canada. Wouldn't you like to pursue a PG diploma program from Canada when you can get so many benefits, that too with low investment? Well, you can easily pursue postgraduate diploma courses in Canada right after completion of your undergraduate courses. PG diploma in Canada can also help enhance your chances of finding high-paying jobs in Canada. So if you choose a full-time postgraduate diploma in Canada, you will also be eligible for a post-study work visa for 1 year stay. Another opportunity that opens its door for international applicants pursuing 2-year PG diploma courses is immigrating to Canada. Attaining a PR after completing 2-year PG diploma courses in Canada and getting placed can earn you extra CRS points. As I list the universities, I will go over their prerequisites, tuition, average packages, location, cost of living, and all the necessary details that will help you decide more wisely about studying in Canada. So make sure that you are sticking till the end of this video. The list of the universities that I'm going to be mentioning in this video are in no specific order, but the universities that we have picked are some of the top universities in Canada offering PG diploma programs to international students. So make sure कि video end तक देखो ताकि कोई भी information miss out ना हो. But before we begin, if you have a study abroad dream, then check out the first link in our description box. Fill in your basic details and our expert counselors will reach out to you very soon. We also have two very interesting offerings, the visa guarantee package and the offer letter guarantee package. So make sure that you check those out as well. Now starting with the list. The first university that I have is University of Calgary, जो कि Calgary, Alberta, Canada में located है. ये एक public research university है जिसका acceptance rate 10 to 20% के बीच में है. Admission मिल जाने के बाद another important thing for you to know is the cost of living, both on and off campus. So यहाँ on campus living cost 4,000 to 9,500 Canadian dollars one term है, और अगर आप कहीं बाहर रहना चाहते हैं campus के, so the living cost is 1,200 to 2,600 Canadian dollars per month. एक और important expense is the tuition fee. So let me tell you कि इस university में पढ़ाई की cost is 36,600 Canadian dollars. But don't worry, university बहुत सारी scholarships offer करती है deserving candidates को, जिससे आप पर financial burden कम होगा. Let me share with you a list and requirements of a few. Applicants applying at University of Calgary will be eligible for many international entrance scholarships. To be eligible for these scholarships, you will have to be first-year students with an acceptance letter from the university. इसके benefits क्या हैं? Well, 2,000 to 20,000 Canadian dollars के बीच. The average salary earned by a University of Calgary graduate is 97,000 Canadian dollars, making the ROI of the university to 65%, which is really very good. Now let's talk about another university on my list, Algonquin College, जो कि Ottawa, Canada में located है. ये एक publicly funded university है with a 60% acceptance rate. इस university में रहने का on campus living cost है 11,500 Canadian dollars for 3 terms and off campus 1,600 Canadian dollars plus rent around 1,800 Canadian dollars monthly. लिविंग कॉस्ट के साथ साथ एक मेजर एक्सपेंस आपका होगा ट्यूशन फीस. सो एल्गोंक्विन कॉलेज चार्जेस अराउंड 19,100 Canadian dollars for a PG diploma program. Students studying at the college are eligible for scholarships like Arnold Smith Royal Commonwealth Society Scholarship, Ottawa chapter, international students residing in any Commonwealth country, Academic Excellence David Philip Dugway Scholarship, international students with a level 2 of the Social Service Worker program with a high GPA. The average salary earned by an Algonquin College graduate is 80,000 Canadian dollars. Moving on to the next university, Centennial College. Centennial College is a community college situated at Ontario, Canada. The college charges 18,000 Canadian dollars for a PG diploma program and has an acceptance rate of 67%. To get into this college, you will just have to meet the minimum requirement of at least 65% in 12th standard. अगर आप इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट हैं एंड अकोमोडेशन ढूंढ रहे हैं तो सेंटिनियल कॉलेज का ऑन कैंपस लिविंग कॉस्ट है 1,100 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स पर पर्सन पर इंस्टॉलमेंट एंड ऑफ कैंपस लिविंग कॉस्ट है 2,100 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स मंथली. With a ROI of 283%, the average salary earned by a Centennial College graduate is 51,000 Canadian dollars. Next on the list, we have Durham College. Durham College is a public college situated at Oshawa, Ontario, Canada. This college has an acceptance rate of 40%, making the admission process somewhat competitive. The tuition fee for a PG diploma at Durham College is quite reasonable. यहाँ पर PG diploma की फीस है 16,000, सिर्फ 16,000 Canadian dollars and average salary है 87,000 Canadian dollars, making the return on investment यानी कि ROI quite high for students, that is 543%. The college provides इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी स्कॉलरशिप। इस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए एलिजिबल होने के लिए आपको चाहिए होगा टॉयफल IBT स्कोर ऑफ 102 और IELTS स्कोर ऑफ 7.5 और अ ड्यूओलिंगो स्कोर ऑफ 120। एंड अगर आप इस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए क्वालिफाई करते हैं तो मिलेंगे 1,000 से 15,000 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स एज एन अवार्ड वैल्यू। इसी के साथ इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑल्सो एलिजिबल फॉर एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस स्कॉलरशिप्स फॉर एन अवार्ड वैल्यू ऑफ 1,000 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स। Then we have on the list Dawson College. Dawson College एक पब्लिक कॉलेज है जो कि मॉन्ट्रियल, क्यूबिक, कनाडा में सिचुएटेड है। Dawson College ऑन कैंपस लिविंग प्रोवाइड नहीं करता है, बट ऑफ कैंपस लिविंग कॉस्ट आर 1,200 to 4,555 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स। ट्यूशन फी की बात करें तो 18,000 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स फॉर अ पीजी डिप्लोमा एंड आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को एवरेज पैकेज मिलता है 50,000 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स, मेकिंग द ROI 277%. International students can apply for scholarships like James Mervyn Upham Bursary and Mahsa Amani Scholarship and get an award value of 500 to 1,000 Canadian dollars respectively by demonstrating 70% aggregate and professionalism and social work commitment. After Dawson College, we have a Fanshawe College. Fanshawe College है लंदन, ओंटारियो, कनाडा में, and it is a community college. With an acceptance rate of 60%, Fanshawe College offers PG diploma for a tuition fee of 15,000 Canadian dollars. जो students on campus accommodation लेना चाहते हैं, they will have to pay 7,650 to 9,600 Canadian dollars and off-campus living cost somewhat around 1,450 to 2,065 Canadian dollars. At Fanshawe College, students will have the opportunity to access hundreds of merit-based scholarships from various entities. All the students with good academic scores are eligible for International Degree Entrance Scholarship for an award value of 30,000 Canadian dollars. Fanshawe College का एवरेज सैलरी पैकेज 52,000 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स है, जिसका मतलब है 346.66% ROI, which is fairly good. आगे बढ़ते हैं फ्लेमिंग कॉलेज की तरफ। फ्लेमिंग कॉलेज एक पब्लिक कॉलेज है जिसका एक्सेप्टेंस रेट है 40 to 50%। पीटरबोरो, ओंटारियो, कनाडा में सिचुएटेड इस कॉलेज यानी इस यूनिवर्सिटी का ऑन कैंपस लिविंग कॉस्ट है 4,000 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स एक सेमेस्टर के लिए एंड ऑफ कैंपस लिविंग कॉस्ट है 350 to 1,200 कैनेडियन डॉलर्स पर मंथ। With the tuition fee of 17,900 Canadian dollars for PG diploma and 54,000 average salary package gives an ROI of 301.67%. Fleming College बहुत सारी एंट्री स्कॉलरशिप्स ऑफर करता है, जैसे कि दी अमेरिकाज एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस एंट्री स्कॉलरशिप, ईस्ट एशिया एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस एंट्री स्कॉलरशिप, इंडिया एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस एंट्री स्कॉलरशिप, among other scholarships for an award value of 750 to 2,000 Canadian dollars. Next on the list we have George Brown College. George Brown College Ontario, Canada में situated है और ये एक public college है with an acceptance rate of 55%. अगर आप George Brown College से PG diploma करने का plan कर रहे हैं तो you should know that the college charges 16,000 Canadian dollars as a tuition fee. The on-campus living cost of the college is 10,500 Canadian dollars and off-campus is 8,400 to 18,000 Canadian dollars. To lighten this burden, the college has fall and winter competition where students with a valid study permit have registered in a full-time 2, 3 or 4-year degree or diploma, have 2 consecutive semesters with 3.5 GPA or above. Participation in volunteering activities towards students, department or college community gets awarded 17 awards worth 1,000 Canadian dollars and 14 awards worth 5,000 Canadian dollars for fall and 9 awards worth 1,000 Canadian dollars and 6 awards worth 5,000 Canadian dollars for winter competition. George Brown College has an average annual package of 51,000 Canadian dollars, giving an ROI of 309%. Moving on to the next college in my list, we have Humber College. Humber College एक पब्लिक कॉलेज है जिसका एक्सेप्टेंस रेट बहुत अच्छा यानी कि 70% है। ये कॉलेज ओंटारियो, कनाडा में सिचुएटेड है और ये इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स को कैंपस लिविंग का ऑप्शन देता है। The on-campus living cost at Humber College is $6,889 to $10,250 Canadian dollars, whereas off-campus living की बात करें तो उसकी cost $6,800 to $20,000 Canadian dollars है। और अगर आप पीजी डिप्लोमा करने का प्लान कर रहे हैं तो आपको $20,000 Canadian dollars की ट्यूशन फी भी देनी होगी। To lighten this financial burden, every year 20 new Humber College students starting in September and 5 students starting in May who have the highest GPA in high school get a $2,000 Canadian dollar tuition reduction in first 2 semesters, $1,000 Canadian dollars per semester. The college has an average annual package of $50,000 Canadian dollars, giving the ROI of 250%. Next on the list we have Sheridan College. Sheridan College, Oakville, Ontario, Canada में situated एक public college है. The college has an acceptance rate of 65%. Sheridan College charges $16,000 Canadian dollars for PG diploma programs. Sheridan College international students को on-campus living option देता है with on-campus living cost of $4,706 to $8,960 Canadian dollars. आप चाहे तो off-campus accommodation का option भी choose कर सकते हैं. Living cost जिसकी range करती है $16,452 to $29,160 Canadian dollars. At Sheridan College, students are eligible for international entrance scholarship for the value of $500 to $2,000 Canadian dollars. The college has an average annual package of $60,000 Canadian dollars and gives an ROI of 375%, which is really very good. Getting admission to a postgraduate diploma in Canada does not require international students to fulfill complex requirements. Unlike masters in Canada, you can apply for a diploma course even after a 3-year bachelor's degree. All you need is an undergraduate degree in a relevant subject with at least 65% or more aggregate marks. And some courses in business administration, management, marketing, etc. may require you to have experience of 2 years. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you found the information useful. If yes, do mention that in the comment box. If you have any questions, any queries, do not hesitate to ask them as well. I shall make sure to reply to each of them. Do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.